Hey you guys, it's me, Tiff the Gift, and I am back with a Watch Me Slay video. So today I will be showing you how I achieved this look. So let's get into this video. Today I'll be installing this 16-inch curly wig on this beautiful model. Her name is DJ Baby Duke. She's a good friend of mine, so go ahead and follow her on IG. Her information is coming up below. And I'll also put her Instagram in the description box. So now I'm just going to be applying some Bold Hold Active. I did not use a stocking cap method on her. It's only because she has a short haircut. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this video. If you want a little bit more descriptive videos from me, please comment below and I will try to talk through more of my videos. But until then, this is more of a Watch Me Slay, like I said in all my videos. And please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep this going. If you want to see more of something, please let me know. I will be having more videos of me, like how I pluck my wigs. It's just so hard to film when I'm doing that, so I will try to if enough people ask me to. So yeah, just hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be back and with more information if I need to. Thank you guys. to add something here that you see that I'm adding some boat hole to the back. This is a lace front wig. It's not a full lace, so a lot of the back was tracks, but it had a little piece of lace in the back that I just tried to glue down just so that it's more secure in the back for her. I usually don't glue down my wigs in the back. I use with the comb, but because she has a shortcut, the combs did not do her any justice, so I'm doing all I can to make sure that this wig stays down in the back for the time period that she needs it to. So hopefully you guys are still watching and you enjoyed me show you how I install my clients' wigs. So just to let you guys know, I will be having a Black Friday sale. It'll be $150, I believe, $150 to $175 for my bob wigs. These are high quality wigs, you guys. These are not no cheap wigs. So yeah, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and it will also include my website. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.